if she believes in God. She's not a Christian.
She could be a Jew and believe in
It
God.
doesn't matter. She's tampered in dark-sided stuff. Yes, she did. The entire house is dark-sided.
He said her whole house is...
She is dark-sided too. This is tainted. I don't want it. Whatever it is tainted. Whatever it is, give it me. I give it up to God. I'm a God warrior. And I don't want someone with tainted anything in beliefs doing anything with my family. Gargo.